touching down past the yellowed out. Left turn into the grass and contact your Wixton ahead.
I'm going to take a break so I can eat some carrots.
The two that are coming down on the right side, great job. The warbirds keep the high-speed taxi all the way down to the end when you land. Great job. And it looks like I got number one over the numbers in the air. Keep it all the way in the air to that yellow dot. Number two, put it on the numbers. Number two, if you can put it down on the numbers, that'd be great. It looks like you're doing a good job. Perfect. Great job, guys. And then I've got the two aircraft. Make sure you do mid-field break, and we'll have you on the right side here in a moment. L-39.
And blowing on a 2 mile final, we're 36 left, 36 left. We're going to go on the purple dot for the land. Purple dot. And the land T-39's coming in. You're going to put, if you can put it down on a purple dot, that would be great. We just bring it down. You guys are doing great. Just touching down. As soon as you're safe, go ahead and make a left turn into the grass. Awesome work today, guys. Red and yellow RV, I need you off the runway. Make the left turn, exit the runway, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Runway 36 right on the red square, clear the land.
And Flight 2, did you want the overhead receivers? Receivers at the Warbird Island, did you want the overhead?
Side wing, left turn when able into the grass. Follow the sergeant, let's show.
Blue and white T-34 Flight 2, requesting the left runway.
Rolling on the runway, turn left in the grass, follow the sergeant for the show.
Red square, that's where you're landing.
Oh boy.
And good job, T-38, good job. You're putting it down, keep rolling. Over the numbers, you're going to put it down on the yellow dot. You're putting it down on the yellow dot. Number 2 there, mile final, you're going down. I think you were Bonanza. You're putting it down on the purple dot. Down when you hit it, high-speed taxi all the way down. Great work, guys. Appreciate your help today. Everyone's doing great. And make sure you got your gear down. If you're short final, good job. And if you're over the numbers, keep it in the air all the way down to that purple dot. You're doing great. Everybody's doing great. Just touch down at the yellow, left in the grass when able. Awesome work. Once you bring it down, left in the grass when able, good job. And once you're on the right side, the one on the right side, you're going to high-speed taxi straight on down that skinny runway all the way to the end. Perfect work, guys.
Blue B-25 over Fond du Lac, inbound.
B-25 over Fond du Lac, report Warbird Island. Camel flight check. Number 2. Number 3. Once you're safe to speed, turn left into the grass and follow the sergeant.
Blue B-25 over Fond du Lac.
B-25 over Fond du Lac, continue to report Warbird Island.
grass when able, and follow the flag.
I see everybody now. We're doing well. Cessna, you're doing great. Once you land on 3-6 right, keep it rolling all the way down to the end. Perfect job. Just touching down on numbers. Our high-speed taxi all the way in. The I believe the B-25 now that's turning left. Runway 36 left, clear to land. You're doing great, guys.
Flowing over the interstate, set your descent. Again, it's B-25, runway 36 left, clear to land on the yellow dot. Left landing if you can, follow the flag. And touching down on 36 right, keep the high speed taxi all the way to the end and follow the
dot, clear to land. And the second one, the RV half-mile base, start your descent, and you're gonna make the turn as well. You're gonna land on the purple dot for now, but I might move you down. So head for the purple dot, but you may move down the yellow dot. Just a short final, great job bringing it down and bringing it in. All the way down that yellow dot, you're clear to land. Number 2, I think you're an RV. Keep it up. You're going to the purple dot for now. You may go to the yellow dot. Clear to land on the left side. Great job, guys. Just over the purple dot. You want to keep it up. You want to keep it all the way. You're going to the yellow dot, sir. You keep it up. You can't give some power all the way down that yellow. Now, just about a half-mile final, quarter-mile final. You're going to put it down on the purple dot. You guys are doing great. Left in the grass when able. Awesome work, guys.
Yellow RV, when you're able, turn left into the grass and follow the flag. Now listen to the show. RV, they just land on the purple dot. When able, turn left into the grass, follow the flag. Man, you have a good day.
Blue and white, PM, on the right.
Report to word, but